not existing anymore in our country. Things have become very crucial that we address this issue also. Today, as we are gathered together, I request that we keep a moment of silence and we'll remember Asifa and such thousands of girls who are daily victims of the greed and avarice and lust of humanity, that we are losing our humanity. I request everyone to keep a moment of silence in respect and justice for Asifa and such kind of people.